Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start with lesson number 8. Okay, first we have done lesson number 3, 4, 5, and then we jump to back, that is lesson number 1, and now we are going to jump forward, that is lesson number 8. Okay, I have selected this lesson because you all are love to do work on that. Okay, and this is your flash. Now what is that Flash? You have not heard about Flash. What is Flash? So basically Flash is your animation software and it does not require any programming skills. So you can do animation without any programming skill. Okay, so let us learn this Flash, how to work in that, and you can download this Flash CS3 from internet as your trial version. Okay, Adobe Flash CS3 you can download for your practice. So let us start. What is Flash? Now this Flash is an animation software package. Okay, this is the symbol for your Flash FL, and it's a product of Adobe system. Okay, and the version we are working is your CS3 Professional. Okay, so this you can download. Now Flash provides a versatile and easy way. Versatile means your in many way. Versatile and easy way to create animation. Now this is the animation made in your Flash. We can make any object in a Flash with the animation and make movies and the sounds and the action. Okay, so you can play any rhyme and you can make the animation. You can import the objects here. So we are going to do many things in this Flash. Now Flash is one of the most popular technologies on the internet because it does not require programming skills. The animations and graphics created in a Flash can be scaled and size. See, can be scaled to any size without losing its quality. Okay, means we can increase the size or decrease the size. The quality of your animation will not be losing its clarity. Okay, the animation will be very clear in that. Now the fact file, yes. This is the picture of Jonathan Gay. He is the main programmer and visionary of your Flash. He is an animation editor of web pages. Now how to start Flash? So to start Flash, first you have to download it and then it will be in your start button. So follow the steps to start your Flash. You have to click on start button, then all programs, then your Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. This is the screen of your Adobe Flash. When you are going to open that, it will be like this. Okay, this is your Flash window. Now select create new may. You have to select ActionScript 3.0. There are many files are there. So you are going to select Flash file ActionScript 3 for animation. Okay. The moment you click on ActionScript 3 new file, you will be getting this blank file. Okay, and this blank area, this white area is known as your stage. This part is known as your stage. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Stage. Okay, this part is known as your timeline. This part is known as your timeline. This black color head is known as your, this part is your playhead. Okay, then this is your layer section. Then this is your property window. Okay, this is your property window. This area is your different colors are there, and this part is known as your tools. Okay, so Flash opens a blank new file. To open a file, select File, Open option, choose the required file and click on Open button. Now the Flash workspace. Yes. See, this part is your stage. What is this? Stage. Okay, and this is the rectangular workspace where you are going to draw your animation, where you are going to put your objects. By default, the stage size is your 550 by 400 pixels. The size is in the pixels. Now what is that pixels? Pixels are the small dots on your screen. Okay, so this area is your 550 by 400 pixel, means ऐसे में आपका 500 pixels है और आपकी height में this is your 400 pixels. You can change the size from your property window. Now this part is known as your menu bar. This part is known as your tools panel. Now as I told you, this is your timeline. Now this part is your property panel, where you can change the stage size or background or any property of your object. Whatever you have drawn, the properties will be displayed here. Now if property pane is not visible, what you can do, you can click on the window and then click on the properties. Okay, if anything is not visible, like timeline is not visible, click on the window, click on timeline. So you must know what is not visible here. This part is your timeline, this is your tools, properties, libraries. So this we can make. Now you can select the line color and the fill color from the color sections. Now using your tools panel. Okay. With the help of tools, we can draw, create shapes, lines, rectangle, anything you can draw. Most of the tool works similar to your MS Paint. So now what you have to do, you have to install Flash, draw different shapes, and then I am going to tell you how to animate that. Okay, so your first step to install Flash, because next class you must ready with your installed Flash so that you can make the animations. Next class I am going to take the detailing of animation, how to animate the things. Now the tool has the option which can be set to draw your different shapes. Now select the rectangular tool, properties, then your lines, color, hold and drag the mouse button, the dotted line, square will be displayed. Now if you want to draw rounded rectangle, you have to increase the settings, like 0 है वहाँ पर. If you want to draw rounded rectangle, उसको 10 कर दिया हमने. See the difference. Now your work is to draw different shapes. You can also draw other shapes like oval, polystar, etc. on the stage by clicking on the small arrow on the rectangle tool. Now again fact file. Point and hold the mouse pointer on any tool to know its name and keyboard shortcut. Okay, किसी को भी आपको जानना है तो वहाँ पर keyboard shortcut जानने के लिए क्लिक करो. Now this is your polystar tool. How to do that? Rectangle. Then you have to select polystar tool. Properties. Lines we have selected. Options. Now the number of sides. Here the polygon को हमें change करना है star में. Okay. And maximum star sides can be your 32. So minimum आपका 3 से रहता है. यहाँ पर 32 तक ले सकते हैं. Star point size set is 50. Number of sides are your 5. Click on OK. Now drag the pointer to draw the star. Okay. Draw the polygon. 5-sided polygon will be drawn. So the same tool is used to draw a star also, as well as your hexagon also, pentagon also. Now text के लिए other font, size, color is similar to your MS Paint tool. Now this is your line tool. Exactly same as your line tool in your paintbrush also. Used to draw straight lines. Click on this line tool. N is there for shortcut key. Select color, thickness, type of line, then drag the mouse pointer. See. So now what you have to do? You have to draw shapes, draw lines, and next class we are going to animate that shapes and lines. Goodbye for now. Read more and more books. Drink plenty of water. Bye bye.